such. Self-tappers to secure the top once we get it set into the beams, washers, fiber nuts, and bolts. This is ones for up top. For up top. Once we drop these in, once this sits inside the beam, you only need to self-tap one in each one on each side. Okay.
Does it matter if the head is on top or on the bottom?
It doesn't matter because this is the back. It will not be exposed to the front.
Okay.
Doing all three?
Just two. Washer.
It's already on. Are you washer on top and bottom?
If you've got that ratchet, we can go ahead and crank these down. And we'll do this. We need a total of 8. And there's 8.
4 per panel.
4 per panel. Since we're doing 2 bases.
Go ahead.
Okay? It's roughly about 2 feet wide and 8 feet long. They're both wrapped in red shrink wrap. Okay, thanks. Bye. Hey. What's up? Yeah, they're wrapped in red shrink wrap. We're there at the store. We confirmed everything delivered.
The plug cord is always on the left-hand side of the panel when it goes into the board.
Got it. Always make sure the plug is on the left-hand side as you face the bed. After you install the 4 brackets on the top display, you take your L bracket, hole on the top, insert it like so, and then keep it loose because your backer board is going to slide up into here. Backer board will slide up into here, and then you'll tighten it once everything's in place. But leave these loose until you put the backer board in.
Then what do we do with this piece?
I'm glad you asked. Watch this. Again, we're going to go up over our heads. We're going to drop it in. Got it? Okay. Now what you got to do is you'll have to center it. Make sure it's centered on either side so you have the same distance in between the uprights. Okay. Then once that's done, we can self-tap it into the beams. Once that's done, then we can set our backer board and then we'll set the bottom. Once he puts those in, we can drop these grids in. Because the least amount of steel that we take to the back, the better. No shortcuts. 8 screws. Wow, so that's what they're talking about.
Yeah, this.
Okay, and that's the way you're gonna hand it in, because the plug's gonna be on the left-hand side. Okay. And you guys gotta lift it right up into place. Go on. Hold on, stop. Yeah.
Question for
Nothing in this case. But it,
Yeah, that's it.
that's the one.
I'll work you with that. Ready?
We got the late game on January 5th.
Drop some money. Yeah, it's weird, isn't it?
So we're gonna push it towards the wall then and leave this. Look at my letter.